Alright guys, Happy New Year's. As promised, I said I was going to show you guys how I created my makeup vanity organization. Before in the video, I mentioned that I purchased this from a private owner on the Let Go app. And I'm just going to show you, like I said, how I did the organization for this new vanity. So the tools you're going to need are quite simple. You're going to need some foam core board. I got this from Walmart for maybe about $1.75. Some cutting tools, scissors, X-Acto knife, rotary cutter. You're definitely going to need a ruler, and you are going to need a few sheets of poster board. So the first thing that I needed to do was measure the inside of the vanity because I wanted to cover it to make sure that it didn't get any more dirty or destroyed from makeup. And as you see me doing, I'm writing everything down so that I can make sure that the measurements are correct because I am actually going to be cutting everything out. And what you see right here is me just making sure when I close it, there is space to clear for that to fall through off to the side. So I'm starting off by just cutting the base or the bottom measurements of the vanity set for both the drawers and the center compartment of the vanity. So now using this T-square or a ruler if you have one as your guide, I'm going to cut out the foam core board using the X-Acto knife, and I'm going to make little compartments or dividers for the drawer. So I'm going to make as many as I can so I have enough to make dividers inside of the vanity. So now this part is pretty simple. I'm making sure that you can see everything that is going on step by step. But I did place the cut poster board inside of the drawers and inside of the vanity so that it protects the bottom of the vanity from any makeup or mess. And then I just started taking the little dividers that I created and started placing them a certain way so that I can be able to organize the makeup that I have. Yes, I had already done a nice clean sweep of all my makeup brushes, all of the makeup that I don't use, makeup that I do use, and I'm going to put them all inside of this vanity. So as you can see me here, I'm making markings so that I can create the smaller dividers inside. And I use a hot glue gun, and I actually glue this to the other dividers and the bottom or the base, well, might as well say the poster board at the bottom of the vanity. So I do this for all of the drawers as well. So like I said, I do this for the other two drawers as well, but it's a lot easier for me to do this outside of the drawers as opposed to what I did with the middle compartment of the vanity. So I just decided to just go ahead and make the measurements, place, you know, my makeup or whatever I was using in certain areas and compartments, and just created dividers this way. So that's it, guys. As you can see, this is where all of my makeup is now, except for my brushes. I was just testing to see what it would be like if I just left only certain types of brushes inside the center of the vanity. This is all of my face stuff was in the middle. This is all of my eye makeup and tools for that. And then this is all of my lips, lipsticks, lip glosses, lip balms. And in another video, I'm actually going to show you how I'm changing this up because I actually do not wear all of these lipsticks. I was just putting them in here. So I'm definitely going to do some revamping of that and show you how I change it up. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be me showing you how I created the lipstick organizer. I'll see you guys in the next video.